No matter what, did you say action?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll take that.
Take two, Mark.
TruGreen and the PGA Tour share a commitment to agronomic expertise that can bring out the best in your lawn. Or for Collier, TPC golf courses.
Yes, and today Matt and I are here to answer common turf questions to help you achieve a lawn you'll be proud of. You know, brown and bare spots are among the most common turf problems. Several factors can cause them, such as lack of light or water, or the presence of turf grass damaging insects and diseases.
Often shade will create brown or bare spots. If the shade is from a tree, then trimming back the branches might be in order. For other sources of shade or more dense coverage, overseeding with a shade-tolerant grass or ultimately replacing the affected area with a ground cover might be the best alternative. If your lawn is drought-stricken, it's time to get back to the basics with proper watering, fertilization, mowing, and aeration to aid in its recovery, whether damage is minimal or extensive. Did I got anything on the teeth?
And as the weather warms in the summer, it's an opportune time for fungal diseases and damaging insects to start invading your turf grass.
If either of these are causing brown or bare spots, your TruGreen specialist will be able to identify the problem and help find a solution. Often this means a curative treatment for bugs, special fertilizer programs, or for diseases, simply adjusting your watering schedule.
I thought I was done.
No matter what is causing the brown spots, TruGreen can partner with you to nurture your lawn into one you can feel proud of.
I know I'm proud of our lawn back there.
I would be too.